Anambra State. I had occasion to ask a few friends in Anambra who are in the other party what they are doing there and why they even want to do an election. And they told me that they want to hook up to the national grid. And I asked them, which national grid? Is it the national grid of kidnapping? Is it the national grid of endless borrowing? Is it the national grid of insecurity everywhere? Is it the national grid that we don't even know what is going on anymore? And I think that those who want to go to that grid, they are very, very misguided and don't understand what governance is all about. There is no need to go to a dead party that is also controlled by those who are living in the 13th century. Let us now follow PDP in the 21st century. PDP, power to the people. And I also want to say that the National Assembly is behind our party as we chart a course to be able to take over Nigeria in 2023, starting from our convention in October 30th, 2021. I enjoin every one of us to work hard for this party. And I know and believe that God willing, that what we are suffering as Nigerians today will be a thing of the past in no time at all. PDP.
To make a few remarks in our meeting, or one of our meetings. Let me start by actually commending the leadership of the various organs of our party, particularly the Governors Forum, who have shown leadership and who have steered the affairs of the party with the support of members of NEC. I believe these challenges we have met are challenges that only PDP in this country can go through them without breaking into pieces. So let me congratulate all the organs of the party for going through these challenges and resolving those challenges and getting stronger by the day. Ladies and gentlemen, I commend and congratulate all party members for standing steadfast to the principles of democracy, rule of law, and therefore that is eventually what is going to lead us into success. God bless you all. Thank you very much.